Hello students, welcome to your channel Sukhadmi and World. As I promised you, today I'm going to solve a question paper of an exam which was conducted by GAIL. So GAIL is Gas Authority of India Limited, is a well recognized company in India, and this exam was conducted by GAIL on 1st December for the post of junior chemist. Okay, so some students were requesting me to solve this question paper, so now I will upload some videos, okay, in which I will cover a section of this question paper, and its a section is has 75 questions from chemistry background. So I will provide you solutions of all the questions, and parallelly I'm going to solve a question paper of GATE exam 2024, so you can also practice for that. Okay, so let's start this question paper. So first question is, what are impingers, and four options they are providing. Your correct option is collection devices. Okay, so actually impingers are collection devices, and these are used to collect samples of dust or any other suspended particles from the air by impinging a stream of air sample onto the surface or into a liquid surface. Okay, so collection device is a correct answer of this question. In the second question, they are saying what will be the equilibrium constant for the following reaction. So they are providing you reaction for the formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, so you have to provide equilibrium constant, and you know that equilibrium constant is the ratio of concentration of products to concentration of reactants, and each raised to the power of their respective stoichiometric coefficients. So concentration of products over concentration of reactant, okay, raised to their power of stoichiometric coefficient, and in this way you can find equilibrium constant of any reaction. So in this case, concentration of product, and your product is ammonia, so its concentration is, and its stoichiometric coefficient is 2. Okay, and in the denominator, concentration of reactants, and there are two reactants, one is nitrogen and other is hydrogen. Okay, and raised to their power of stoichiometric coefficient, in the nitrogen stoichiometric coefficient is 1, and for hydrogen stoichiometric coefficient is 3. Yes, so this is a equilibrium constant. Okay, value of equilibrium constant, you can compare it, and this is the first option. Okay, so A option is your correct answer. In the next question, they are saying the term array diffusion is used in which of the following analytical techniques, and they are providing four options: a differential thermal analysis, microscopy, spectrophotometry, and chromatography, and correct answer is they are providing you chromatography. Okay, so actually the term array diffusion is used in chromatography clearly, and it refers to a spreading of solute molecules, okay, due to a multiple paths they can take through a perfect column. So chromatography is its correct answer in this question. In the next question, which one of the following compounds can undergo Macaulay-Forte rearrangement? And its correct answer is esters having gamma hydrogen. Okay, so esters can undergo Macaulay-Forte rearrangement. So what happen in Macaulay-Forte rearrangement? Actually, Macaulay-Forte rearrangement is a mass spectrometry fragmentation process. So this is a mass spectrometry fragmentation process. So in this process you will get a fragments, okay, so that involve a transfer of gamma hydrogen, okay, through a 6-member transition state. So it involve transfer of gamma hydrogen, but that hydrogen should be through six-membered transition state. Okay, so for this transfer there should be a presence of gamma hydrogen atom. So if you will see the case of gamma esters like this C double bond O O R, in this case this type of esters like with respect to ester, this is alpha position, gamma beta position, and this is gamma position. Okay, so in this type of ester there will be a 6-member transition state, and this hydrogen, this is a gamma hydrogen. Yes, okay, so it will be transferred to this oxygen atom, and there will be a transition state of 6 members. You can see it, this transition state involves total 6 members, these 3 carbon, this carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. So esters having alpha hydrogens can undergo McLafferty rearrangement. So fourth option is correct answer in this question. In the next question, in a biological waste treatment, the nitrification process requires due to the presence of, its correct answer is ammonia. Okay, so nitrification is a microbial process. Okay, so nitrification is a microbial process. So in this, ammonia is oxidized to nitrite. Okay, and then nitrite converted into nitrate, NO3 negative, which is nitrate. Okay, so this process is carried out by nitrifying bacteria. So this is a nitrification process, so in which ammonia is converted into nitrate, and this happen only due to the presence of ammonia. So second option is correct answer. Okay, in the next question, which type of polymer is formed by this monomer unit? So this monomer unit, you can see this is a structure of melamine. Okay, and this melamine, this is a urea formaldehyde resin, protein, polyamide. These three options are incorrect. Okay, by from this monomer unit, which is melamine, and when it will combine with the formaldehyde, okay, so you will get a melamine formaldehyde resin. Okay, so this will happen only with the combination of both these, and this is structure of melamine. So fourth option is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, they are saying which of the following compounds show anti-aromaticity? So you can check, they are providing you this option as a correct answer. Okay, so you can see in the first case, okay, in this case this is aromatic. Okay, because these two 4 pi electrons are there, and one lone pair of nitrogen is involved in the delocalization of the ring, and that's why this structure is aromatic in the first case. And if we consider the third case, which is pyridine, and in this case this is a lone pair on the nitrogen atom and can't involve into this delocalization, and there are already 6 pi electrons, a proper delocalization. This is also aromatic. And if you'll see this case, okay, so in this case they are providing you this answer as a correct, this option as a correct answer, but according to me this is incorrect, because this compound is non-aromatic actually. So because this is cyclooctatetraene, yes, and in this case what will happen, it involve tub shape, it exists in tub shape, and its structure is this, and there will be no planarity in the ring, and that's why it is non-aromatic, not anti-aromatic. So B option is incorrect here. And in this question your correct answer, which is anti-aromatic, that is this aniline. Okay, so in this case there are 2 4 6. Okay, 6 pi electrons, and one is this negative charge. So there are total 8 pi electrons you have in the system, and to follow 4n pi electron rule, okay, so you can get 8 pi electron system. So it follow 4n pi electron rule, and according to which it is anti-aromatic system. Clear? So fourth option is your correct answer in this question, and they are providing you second option as answer, that is incorrect. Okay, so D option, fourth is your correct answer in this question. In the next question, which of the following properties of the average value is incorrect? Okay, and in this case, this is a correct. You can also write these average values as this, so these are correct. Okay, and fourth option, you can't write it like this because this is incorrect way. Actually, this should be there. Okay, so in this case, in many cases we can see, especially in physics and statistics, A and B may be correlated. Okay, may be correlated, and if they will be correlated, in that case this should be not equal to. Okay, and if A and B are independent, in that case you can write it like this. This is the case when A and B are independent, but you have to consider it they are in correlation, and if they are in correlation, in that case the correct relation is this. Okay, so if there is a correlation between A and B, so this equality doesn't hold. Okay, this equality doesn't hold, and the correct relationship would include a covariance term, which is this covariance term. So you have to consider it A and B variable as in correlation, and if they are correlated, their equality can exist in such a way with the combination of covariance AB, and this term is missed in this case, so fourth option is incorrect. Fourth, so incorrect, but a fourth option is your answer in this question, because you have to mention one statement which is incorrect as your answer. And in the next question, they are saying which of the following statement is incorrect, and if you will see, this is thermodynamic stability constants, this is overall stability constant, this is K is stepwise stability constants. Okay, and A, B and C, three statements are correct, and fourth is incorrect. Overall stability constant is equal to the product of the stepwise stability constant, not addition. So fourth option is incorrect, and you have to mention incorrect option as your correct answer. So fourth is correct answer in this question. In the last question, what is the emission of radiation during transition from triplet excited state to ground state? So correct answer is phosphorescence. So in phosphorescence, transition is from triplet excited state to ground state. But in the case of fluorescence, transition from singlet excited state to ground state. So this option is also incorrect. And if we will see chemiluminescence, and in that case this is emission of light as a result of chemical reaction, so it doesn't specifically refer to the transition from triplet to ground state, so this option is also incorrect. And in the case of luminescence, this is a general term that encompasses all type of light emission actually that are not due to heat, including fluorescence or phosphorescence, so this option is also incorrect. So the correct answer is first. Okay, first option. So okay, other you can practice all these questions, and remaining questions I will cover in next video. Thank you very much, and if you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe this channel. All the best for your other exams from chemistry background, and the level of this question paper was same as that of other exams which is conducted by NFL. Okay, so you can also practice that question paper also. Okay, that exam was conducted by NFL for the post of management trainee, and I had already uploaded several videos of that, and you can also check that videos at this YouTube channel. And if you like, share it with your friends, and if you have any query or any issue, you can mention in comment section. Thank you very much.